I'm going to explain to you now the one account versus the seven accounts. Okay. For example, meron kang walong tao na gustong mapamember sa Royal. For example, one account ka lang, this is you, this is your company A, company B, and you have 8 people na pasasalihin mo under your organization. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's compute. Since 8 na tao ang nabentahan mo ng package, automatically that's 1,610 as your direct sales commission times 8. That will be 12,880 pesos. And you have 4 matches na nangyari because may 4 ka sa kaliwa at may 4 ka sa kanan. So, 2,100 times 4, that will be 8,400 pesos. Sa 8 nabentahan mo ng package, ito yung breakdown natin, a total of 21,280 pesos ang makukuha mo kapag 8 ang nabentahan mo, kapag isa ang account mo. Now, for example, itong 8 distributor na ito, after 1 week, nakabenta sila ng tigi-tigisang package. After 1 week, tigi-tigisa ng package. What will happen is, magkakaroon ka ulit ng 4 na matches, which is, on their first week, you're going to earn 8,400 pesos. Kapag nangyari every week pa isa-isa, another 8,400 pesos. Now, breakdown ko yung 8 tao kapag 1 account ka lang. Our topic is 1 account versus 7 accounts. What if you have 7 accounts? This is your first account. First. This is your second account. This is your third account. Fourth account. Fifth, sixth, and seventh account. Same number of people, same time, same effort, 8 tao din ang pag-uusapan natin. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila, dito, 1 account ka lang, dito, you have your 7 accounts. Paano magiging posisyon ng 8 tao dito sa 7 accounts mo? Okay? Ito yung first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, and 8. Tingnan natin kung magkano ang kinita mo sa 7 accounts. You have your 8 direct referrals. So, 1,610 pesos times 8. That's 12,880 pesos. Okay. Remember, your 7 account is also your account. May Team A at Team B rin yan. Kaya magkakaroon siya ng match. 7th account, you have your 2,100. Ganon din sa 6th account. You have your 2,100. Your 5th account, and your 4th account. Okay. Kung kumita itong 4, 5, 6, 7 account mo, malamang yung 2nd and 3rd account mo kumita din. Remember, this is your company A ng 2nd account mo at company B ng 2nd account mo. Ito po, may pumasok po na dalawa, kaya meron kang 2 matches na aakyat under your 2nd account. Your 2nd account, kikita siya ng 4,200 pesos. Your 3rd account, ganun din. may same company A and company B, may pumasok na dalawa dito sa company A at dalawa sa company B, kaya magkakaroon ng dalawang matches. On your third account, nag-earn din siya ng 4,200 pesos. Don't forget your first account, your initial account, company A, company B, may bagong 4 na pumasok sa company A ng first account at 4 na pumasok sa company B ng first account. So, magkakaroon ka ng 4 matches. 4 na 2,200. On your first account, kumita ka ng 8,400. I-breakdown natin lahat isa-isa. Kumita ka ng almost 25,200 pesos as your team match sales bonus plus your 12,880 pesos nang galing sa direct sales commission mo sa 8 tao na pinasok mo. Under your 7 accounts, you're going to earn 38,080 pesos. Versus 21,280 pesos doon sa 1 account mo. Now, the question here is, what if etong 8 distributor na to nakabenta ng tigi-tigisang package nila? Isa, 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 isa. Kanina, sa 1 account, pag nakabenta ng tigi-tigisa on their first week, kikita ka ng 8,400 team match sales bonus. But here in 7 accounts, first week, at nakakuha ng tigi-tigisa yung mga distributors mo, kikita ka ng 25,200 pesos versus 8,400 pesos. As simple as this, para kang nagtayo ng restaurant sa Royal. Pag isa lang ang restaurant mo, kikita ka. Pero pag 7 ang restaurant mo, 7 ang branches mo, mas kikita ka ng mas malaki. And this is the 7 account strategy.